Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In today's video, I'll show you how to send an image to the back in Google Slides using your phone or any Android or iOS device that you own. It is the same for both the devices, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll teach you how to do it through the Google app or Google Slides app on your phone. Now let's get started with the video. Now first, open your Google Slides app right here and open the presentation in the Google Slides and go to the slide with the image. Suppose this is the slide with an image. Simply click on edit slides and you will get to edit the slides inside that presentation. Now after that, tap the image you want to move and click on the three dots on the top of your screen, or simply click on your image and click on this, and you will see an option called send to back. This will place your image behind all the other objects on your slide. Simply click on it and you can move your image anywhere you want. Now as you can see, the image is behind the text and the text is above the image. The text is in white color, so you cannot properly see it, but it is there. And adjust the image position if needed, and now text, shape or other images will appear in front of the image that you have just sent to back. Use this feature when layering multiple images and creating custom slides designed for a professional look. And that's it guys, your image is now perfectly in the background. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and comment below how you like to layer your slides element. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.